Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by measuring and heating. Get 200 ml of milk or water and warm it to roughly 60-70 degrees. Once done, spoon in 3 heaped teaspoons, about 25 g of Mother Horlicks Plus. Stir briskly for 20 to 30 seconds to dissolve the powder evenly so you avoid lumps. Make sure to taste a small sip to confirm temperature and sweetness. This step sets texture and flavor, so you control strength by adjusting powder or liquid amounts. Once the base is ready, you continue by customizing texture and nutrients. If you want a thicker drink, reduce milk to 150 ml. For lighter, add more liquid. Make sure to enhance with optional ingredients: half a banana or 1 teaspoon honey for energy, or a half teaspoon cocoa for flavor. If blending, pulse 5 to 10 seconds to integrate air and avoid foaming. You're aiming for a smooth, even consistency. Serve immediately to retain warmth and taste. To finish, let the drink cool to about 40 degrees and test on your wrist before giving it to children. Once served, consume promptly for best texture. If the mix turns grainy or separates, reheat gently and whisk for 15 to 20 seconds, or pass through a fine strainer to remove lumps. Make sure to keep the powder in an airtight container and use within the recommended period. Troubleshooting tip: if flavor is flat, add a small pinch of salt or a touch more milk to rebalance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.